All right, and this is what it looks like once it's all put together. All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new king bed frame. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you, so it's going to actually check it out. Putting it together took about an hour between both of us. Nothing complicated. Everything's labeled, hardware's organized, bolts go in easily. Once you get past the initial setup, you're looking at an actual bed frame itself that is solid. You can feel the weight in the metal tubing and the headboard. It's not one of those things that flexes when you lean on it. The particle board is thick enough that you're not worried about it breaking down in 6 months. The center rail has noise dampening strips underneath. That's the kind of detail most frames skip. The headboard's got these 3-tier compartments built in, and they're actually deep enough to hold stuff in it, not just decorative shelves. Then there's the foot drawers, 2 on each side with fabric fronts. They pull smooth, and you can load them with blankets, pillows, or whatever you like. Real storage, not just a gimmick. Then it also has the power strip built into the headboard too. 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. It's right there where you actually need it, not on the other side of the room. The whole thing came together very clean, nothing left over, no parts, and everything fit just right. All right, and this is what it looks like once it's all put together. Very sturdy. You got the baskets down here. So you zoom it out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. And got some pouches here. Type-C, 2 USBs, all the LEDs back there, which you are able to control. There is a button back here for it, but they do give you a remote as well, which, because when you go to see, you can just turn them on, or let's see, what do we got? So you can see, switch them out however you like. Set this mode. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our mattress on it. All right, so we got our mattress on here. As you can see, this is the king size. We already got our electronics charging up right on here. Got our Alexa plugged in there. Got the lights going. And then right here on this side, we put our TV remote right in here. And then to keep you saving some space, you can keep some blankets in one of these or both of them, as well as clothes on the bottom. So very, very cool bed frame. Got the cool LED lights, the storage at the bottom. And now for the final test. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new modern looking king bed frame, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Definitely a high recommend.